The favourite, overwhelming favourite. If you'd asked anyone really who was going to win this tournament, they'd have all said Serena Williams, but she's just been knocked out by Anna Ivanovic. We'll have much more on our main show at 3:30 at Sports Scene. But let's concentrate on Li Na for now, who's won all 4 of their previous meetings against Ecaterina Makarova. The Russian won her first service game in the first set, but was then broken in her next service game, and she only won one more game in the whole match after that. China's #1 player easing through to the last 8 in just 59 minutes.